everyone, welcome to DIY with Jojo, where we do fun and affordable DIY projects and everything home decor. So today's episode is a continuation of the paper making flowers tutorial, and in part 1 I did show you how to make large petal flowers, and if you have not watched it, I would highly suggest that you do, and the link is in the description box below. So in today's episode I'll be showing you how to make the rose petal, the leaf, and how to hang them on the wall. So keep watching. So you'll start out by tracing your templates. So here are your templates. I have 5 of them. What you'll do is take a 12 by 12 centimeter paper, fold it halfway, diagonally. Yeah, this is folded diagonally, and then do the same thing on the other side. You should have a triangle like this. So you'll do this to all the 5 pieces of paper that you have. Fold it diagonally, and then do the same thing to this other side again. And then you get a triangle. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of triangles. Next, you're going to take your template and you're going to trace. You're going to put it on top, and then you're going to trace. Remember that I'll link the templates down in the description box below. So after you've cut out your templates, this is how your paper should look like. When you unfold, the center should be joined. So it should be like this for all of them. So this is template number 1. This is number 2. Number 3 should be a bit larger. We have number 4, and then the last one, number 5. So what you're going to do, you're going to curl the petals of petal number 3, 4, and 5. So just take your petal. They say that you like to be up, you'll curl outside. So you hold for a minute, and then do the same on the other side. So you do this for all the 4 petals. For the curling parts, you can also use a mark pen or even a butter knife. I see some people using butter knives to do this process. But anything that you can use to curl your petals will do. So as you've noticed, this is a different kind of paper than the one that I was using. So this is a manila paper, but it is much lighter. So I'll suggest that you get the other colored papers. They're a bit stronger. So after you're done, take your petal number 1, fold it almost, this is quarter way, just above where the center is. So do it on all 4 petals. So take 1 petal and curl it inwards. And then take the petal that is on the opposite side and curl it. So you'll apply your glue on the sides of your petal, and then you're going to fold it in. So what you're going to do, you're going to take the other petal on the opposite side, apply glue on top, and then you're going to fold it in. So place your index finger in the middle so that it gives the petal some shape. So you do the same on the other side. So apply glue and then you're going to fold it in. Make sure that you leave even spaces between the petals. So this is the barn of your rose flower. So take petal number 2, apply glue on the center part, and then take the center part and place it diagonally. So this part should be aligning with the places that have space. So you place it like that. So choose one side. So I'll start with this side. Apply glue. And then you're going to fold it in. So take the petal on the opposite side, apply glue and fold it in. Now you're going to work with the opposite side, do the same thing. So you'll take the other petal and you're going to lay it flat. The sides that you had curled, they should be facing downwards. So you apply glue on the center part. Place your bud in the center, and then the pointed side should be the side where there is space. So for this, you'll do the same thing. You'll apply glue on the inside. The others you are applying glue on this upper side, but now we're going to do it on the lower side. So after you're done applying glue, you're going to use your index finger. You're going to help it stick. So the top part should be loose. It should be curling outside. So do the same thing on the opposite petal. Always remember that you're working with petals that directly opposite each other all the time. So you do the same thing, and then do this on the other two petals. How your rose flower should look like. And then there's another one that I had done using the different cardstock paper. So you can see the difference. This one is quite hard than this one. So I prefer, if you're going to do the flowers, use the hard cardstock paper. This is 250 grams. So to make this stem, what you're going to need is your template. So I'll have the link to this template down in the description box below. So you're going to have your you're going to trace it. So this is how your stem should look like. So I'll show you how to make this kind of a leaf. So what you'll do, you'll get an A4 size paper, and then you're going to fold it in half. Fold it halfway, and then you're going to draw a line from this side going like this. Unfold it, and voila, here is your pleated leaf. So the next one we're going to do is this kind of leaf, the Monstera. So what you will do, you'll just get a template. This is the template that you're going to use. So you're going to trace your template on your A4 size of paper, and this is what you will have. The next one is this kind of leaf. So what you'll do, you'll fold your A4 cardstock paper, and then you're going to, you can do it freehand or you can draw your line so that it will act as a guide for you when you're trimming out. So it can just be a guide, or you can you're done cutting. This is how your leaf should be. Yeah, so that's how you make this kind of leaf. Yeah, and then there's this other one that I showed you how to do. But remember, all the templates that I've used in this video will be linked in the description box down below. So next I'm going to show you how you hang your flowers on a backdrop. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. Kindly give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, share it with your friends, and leave your comments in the comment section. So until next time, bye.